In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to friends and family with Zelle using the Chase mobile app. Before we get started, make sure that you're all set up and using a Chase bank account and that you've got funds inside of your checking or your savings accounts. This is going to be where Zelle will pull your funds from. Once you're ready, download and then open the Chase mobile banking app. Starting here on the home screen, you could have two places to access this. If you're on the Accounts page, you may have a Send Zelle shortcut here on the top menu bar. This may not show up for you yet though, and if that's the case, choose Pay and Transfer here at the bottom menu. Inside of this screen, you'll see Send Money with Zelle. Choose that. Next, you'll see a list of all the contacts that are on your device and people that you've interacted with in the past using the Chase app. Find or search for the person that you want to send money to, and then choose their contact. The first screen you'll get is a confirmation screen. If you've never sent money to the contact, or if they don't have Zelle yet, it'll let you know here. The main thing is only pay people and contacts that you trust. Make sure that everything looks right here before you send any money. When you're ready, check I've read and understand, and then hit Set Up Payment. After that, enter the amount of money that you want to send to the person. You can also add a memo here for what the payment is for. Next, choose where you want the funds to be pulled from, and then select the date that you want to send the money. If it's a repeat payment, you can also choose Repeat Payment here and then set up a plan. When you're ready, select Review and Send. Make sure everything looks right here with the payment and who you're sending it to, and then hit Send It Now at the bottom. Your payment will then be sent off to the other person, and they'll get an alert that they've received the funds. And that's how you send money to somebody with Zelle using the Chase mobile banking app.